What's going on, family? We got these key levels drawn out for you. We pointed out these key levels about a week, 3 weeks ago. This is where we're at today, man. So down at them lows, them June lows, 200s coming up. I believe they're gonna touch it. We're gonna see a relief rally real soon, within the next 3 to 4 weeks. Extremely oversold, overshot that channel, as you can see, and we've seen all this blood today because of the housing market, man. It mentions things are not as bad as it seems, so the market can afford to get pushed down some more. So that's what we're looking at, man. And I want to show you some numbers and what we saw today and why. I'm not messing with any single stocks right now. In particular, I'm not buying any, but I did buy today on the S&P. So I just want to show you this video. I'm gonna get out of here.
Really closely, how bad is it?
Well, I don't think it's as bad as it may seem. You know, we are thinking about 2021 and early months of 2022 when we were actually, in some sense, looking in the eyes of a bubble. And ever since mortgage rates surged and reached 6% in June of this year, we saw a quick reversal from those trends. So now we are just recovering from that sugar high that we had over the last couple of years. And naturally, you know, home sales have slowed. They are now about 14% lower year to date than they were in 2021. We are also seeing some deceleration in home price growth, and this is all good. You know, as I mentioned at the beginning of this year, first 3 months were some of the hottest months in terms of housing market competition that we saw historically. So to see some level of normalization in the market, to see more balance between buyers and sellers is in a lot of sense very, very good for the market. And it suggests that we will be having a potentially much healthier market going forward.
Yeah, that's really reassuring. So my natural question is, when is that healthier market going to come to pass? I mean, give us a sense about how these numbers work, whether it's home price sales, whether it's price of homes. How much is it a lagging indicator, a leading indicator? How much momentum is building into the system?
Well, in some sense, yeah, like you said, there is a lot of momentum built in, which is why home price growth reached its highest levels at the beginning of the year after all the buildup in year 2021. So it will naturally take a little while for this, at least according to our CoreLogic HPI, which is a repeat price index. It's a little bit different from the median sales index price, and so it does have a lot of momentum. And so, for example, in a median home price, you will already see some home price declines because we've seen pullback in luxury or higher price home sales activity. So that segment is taken out of the equation. So naturally, median home prices are declining or decelerating at a faster rate than that HPI that I was mentioning. But just to give you some sense of where we've been up until this point this year, home prices only in the first half of the year were up 10%. So even if we do see some home price decline over the next few months, we are still on par with where we were in 2021. And in all honesty, from the beginning of the pandemic until now, home prices have gone up 43%. So, you know, it's naturally, with mortgage rates being where they are, 300 basis points higher than at the beginning of the year, home prices up 20%. I mean, average consumer is looking at 50 to 60% higher mortgage payment today than they were even at just the beginning of this year.
Somewhat, give us your understanding of the relationship between home ownership, buying houses, and rental.
So basically, man, we got more pain to come in this market, man. They're forced to continue to raise the rates, man. Economy's too strong, and they got to keep raising rates, man. So put season, I did manage to stay green today. At the end of the day, because the day was very, very interesting. A lot of just dropping, so not a lot of entries, but hope you guys stay green today. I'll see you guys tomorrow, man. Yep.